Hey guys, 419 here. I usually don't talk in my videos, but today I have me. So in Bucyrus, there is a scrapyard, okay? And, yeah. So this track I'm going to show you right here. Usually it's just the hopper car at the very end here, which is just seen some better videos, obviously. Yeah, we're gonna be checking out everything here today. Oh, there's a squirrel. Yeah, there's no handbrakes on this thing. It's literally on wood blocks, and the inside of it's pretty bad. Oh yeah, very cool. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Oh my lord. Hello? Pretty cool. All the detail on it. Pretty Sigma. Home shop and repaired, not food. Yeah, no shit. Yeah, these have been sitting here for a while. These are brand new though. I don't know what these are doing here. This car looks like it's another scrapper. Yo, information on that. It looks pretty cool. And then I'll get to the box cars afterwards. It's pretty tough. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna climb on there. I do not give a shit. You know what? Here. Cool. Oh. Yeah, there's that. See, penises. Peak shit. Yep. I got a trash car here. Oh! God damn! They really beat the fuck out of these. Jesus! Right? Oh, fuck! God damn! These things got beat to death. Damn. I can see there's some more cars down there, but I'm not going to go down there because I'm too easy to. Then we get to these. These are some old Santa Fe boxcars, which are laying here. And I should know the road number for at least each. Okay. Yeah, but oh, God damn! Peak. Never seen cars so destroyed before. God damn. Damn! Ooh. Hello, Sylvia there. This is like. Alright, here's the other side of the car. See? Oh, damn, dude. This shit got destroyed. What? Tough. Okay, here's the information of this car. And I'm gonna go inside it. Because you know what? These are basically abandoned. So it's not like it's gonna be anything. I think somebody was in here recently. Whoa. It's awesome. Pretty tough, I can't even lie. Oh. Oh, look at this car. This car has been here a while. See, it's been beat to death too. I personally think this car rolled down here. Because, you know, reasons. So as you can see, yeah. And if I'm correct, I'm remember you could look inside of it. I don't feel like doing that though. It's too muddy on the ground too. But yeah, let's go back over here, please. Yeah, this is... Holy shit, that's scary. But yeah, so since yeah, this is part of the scrapyard in here. See? Barely doing jack shit. Pretty cool to see these. And yeah, they're just laying here. Again, shame to see them all beat up and shit. But I don't really care that much, so they're just real close. Look at this. Damn. These things must have took a pounder. Yeah, I want to look back over here. Jesus God. Shit, it's dripping water too. Yeah, let's get some info on this car though. I actually know what car this is. I can't remember what that one is. I have to do some more research on it. But if I hurry up, if I come over here, you can see the old road number. I can't see it good. Look, the 625 459 or 69. Yeah, that's that car for you. Again, cool to see this car. I might be able to get back there if I remember correctly. I forget how I did it. I know I should be able to get back there somehow. Yeah, and there's what rest of this car. So yeah, old Santa Fe box car. What is this? Yeah, I can see it. It's definitely an old Santa Fe car. Which for y'all. God damn. How the fuck do you fuck that up? So I thought I would just share this with you. Again, it's neat. To me at least. It's kind of cool out here, but not really that cool. Whoa. Can I get in here? I don't know what's in there. Doesn't look like much though. Pretty tough. I don't think this is gonna open anyways. But yeah. Just wanted to give a little tour of this. Cause I felt like it. You know? Yeah. Get another shot on this side. Let's car again. Alright, these things are like really bad. Yeah, so trash car, coil car, the hopper car, and the box car, those are all brand new. And the hopper car at the very end, that's been there forever. And the Santa Fe box cars, they've been there forever. Let's see if we get down here. Holy shit. That's bad. I wonder if these cars were involved in the same accident. It looks like it, kind of. I don't think they were, though. Dude, I just realized. They must have just pushed that down here. Oh, yeah. That would have been an awesome-ass operation to see. I need to come down here one of these days when they do it. Nice penis to this game. Crazy. So, I think I already found out what the Santa Fe box cars were about. I forget what their number was. I knew that you identified one, the other one you couldn't even get back there to see it. Oh, shit, look, they got... What the... No, these are like temporary brakes. Or, I don't know what... Well, no, the brakes are applied on these cars. I don't know what those are, though. They're very... Very interesting, indeed. Yeah, no shit. And this car had something happen to it. A hole in its... I can't remember if the door was missing on that car or not. Yeah, pretty crazy. Good spot to sleep, though. Yeah, and get this car, which, yeah, this one's been here longer. You can tell. But, I mean, dude, yeah, oh. That's gotta be a defect, right? Sorry, this video is just kind of me yapping, but I mean, again. So, yeah, that's Bucyrus for you, basically. Just a scrapyard, which pushes rail cars at the end of this line. And, yeah. So with that, let's get back to the Railfanning, shall we?